Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So we are here in Shipyard Park, next to the river. We left last time, and it was like a really pretty day. And it's a really good day. Sun is out, and the temperature is minus 17 right now. And just gonna stroll around just because I'm waiting for my bus as well. So let's go have some fun. Wait for the bus as well. Oh my god, the river is like completely frozen right now. So I'll show you the river. So that's the railing over there, and this is the river right now. It's completely frozen right now. As you can, and there are some like snowmobile tracks on top of the lake. Like people like to snowmobile. Like people enjoy their life here in Bangkok. In winters, most of the people like winters who lived here long time, but some of us like who came from outside, someplace else where we came from, it's not like the usual temperature we used to handle, so it's extreme for us. And like my fingers are getting frozen right now just because I'm vlogging. And this is a tram, this is a tram inside, tram rail, tram train. And it I have shown you, I actually made a short on my channel as well. You guys can see on my channel in the shorts section. Just going around. So yesterday the landlord came to the house and said like you're not cleaning the place. I said like yeah, just because we are not the only person who is living there, that's why we are not cleaning, because other people needs to realize they have to clean after themselves as well. Just because like we have not taken a contract for others, right? Like we're going to clean the place, make a mess, and we'll clean the place. So you have to take your own responsibility. And I told them yesterday, told the landlord like, you just need to tell those guys to clean your place, and we'll clean the place as well. Just because like when we recently moved there, nobody was cleaning, and it was a mess. We cleaned once, and nobody was cleaning again. So we just left the place how it was. And when the landlord came, she was angry. I totally understand it. Just because who won't be angry, right? Like, if it was my house, I would be angry. Nobody is cleaning my house. That's right, if we're paying the rent, it doesn't mean like we own the property, right? So, if you live somewhere, you have to respect the place as well. Yeah. So, by the way, it's the next day, and I'm just going to check my mailbox to see like what we have in the mailbox right now. So we're just going to the mailbox, and I just got a call from my parents on that day. That's why my audio bugged out, and I started talking with my parents. So I was not able to vlog myself during that time. Then I came home, then changed my clothes. So I thought like just leave it today. We're gonna make vlog other day. So now I'm just gonna check my mailbox if we have anything. Oh, there's one thing. Let's see whose name is it. Uh, oh, that's for Mohit. Mohit Chauhan, another roommate who used to live with me when we were living at the other place where we used to live before. Yeah. Today, today it's like a really good day. It's not that cold, but it's just like snowing every time. Whenever I have a holiday, it just snows a lot. It's snowing, but not that much. So I'm also gonna start my car as well, because I don't want my car to drain all the battery. I have to like start in like once in a while like a week or so. So it would just start properly whenever I need my car. So it would be ready to go, right? And it started. Fantastic. I can show you the screen as well. Like it's totally covered with snow right now. To remove this. Yeah. Let's see, like we can go somewhere around. We can go somewhere near just to warm up my car, and I'll just get back home and gonna upload this vlog today. This is Saturday. I usually upload my vlogs on Saturday just because that's the only time that I have. And yeah, and I have a midterm as well today, so I have to do that as well. It's like in the evening. I have like 1.5 hours to complete my midterm. So yeah, pretty good day. I woke up around 6:30 in the morning, then went to sleep back again, then woke up 8 because my roommate came, then woke up again at 8:21. Then I just woke up, yeah, talked with my parents and cleaned the washroom first of all. Yeah, that was a really good thing I did today, just because like it was a mess, complete mess. So I have to take a little responsibility as well to show other guys that I'm cleaning the place as well, and have to show the landlord like I'm doing my efforts to clean the place, but I'm not gonna clean anything else. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean the windshield. I don't have a proper brush, but I do have this to clean it. So let's go and clean the windshield. I don't have a proper brush to clean the snow. This is just like a normal room, but it does the job. So I thought it works. So what's the problem with this, right? The problem is just the angle. Like it's doesn't provide the angle to clean it properly. You just have to do a little bit more efforts put in. That's all. But yeah, I need to change this wiper as well. Yeah, just because of the snow. Need to clean this as well. But it's like totally jammed right now. It's covered in snow, so I can't do anything right now. To wait for the temperature to go up and melt it by itself. Yeah. Let's clean this part. So it would be easy to drive, right? Let's just put it in the back. Oh, it's locked. Oh, thank God, it's not locked. Let's unlock the car first of all. Yeah. Oh my God. So I just noticed like the camera was flipped. So I was just showing you the back. I just used this broom to clean my car. It does the job, but it doesn't have the angle, proper angle to clean the car. So yeah, I just cleaned my windshield. So I'm just waiting for the car to get warm up. So after that, let's go for a little drive. Like nowadays, like every vlog is like just a small drive, going here, going there, showing the other places. And the weather is like really good today. Yeah, it's not that cold, it's not that warm as well. And the one thing about like winters I like the most, like the trees. The trees are green. The ground is like totally covered with snow, so it's like green and white contrast, and with the beautiful houses in the surroundings. What do you call it? Like a scenery, a contrast. You guys can have a look. Like it looks so good. It doesn't like do justice on the camera, but it looks really good. Like the trees are like really dark in color, and the white surroundings and the houses. I'll just mount you guys here on shoot. My God, I just dropped my phone. So there's just like one or two things I want to see you guys as well. Whenever you go like really far away from your home, like it's like a totally different feeling. Like the fear you have, like am I going to be able to survive there by myself, and all the things like which comes to your mind. You just need to believe in yourself. and you will find the right people who will like motivate you to do the right things on the right time. Like I remember when I came here, like I was totally alone. Like I had like no friends here, no one was here to help me. Like even though my family lives in Canada, but nobody helped me. So I was just alone, and I didn't have like any friends or anything whom I can ask. And I just came here. I just believed in myself, and there were like some people who helped me as well. Pukar bhai, if you're watching this vlog, thank you very much. You helped me a lot. I just want to say thank you, Pukar bhai, Pritika bhabhi. Thank you so much for being there for me. Uh, it's just like small things which really matters for you. If you guys don't know who is Pukar and Pritika Dogra, like they're a YouTuber in Yukon whom I met like by accident. Like I was just going to the bank and I just saw two people. I was just there to open my account and I knew who they were, and I was just like, huh? Is it really them? Should I go and talk to them? Like, so I just waited outside the bank. It was pretty cold actually, and I was not wearing like proper clothes. I just wore this jacket, and underneath I was like freezing because I didn't long johns underneath my pants, so I was just freezing. So I just waited outside the bank and just waited for Pukar bhai to come outside. And when they came outside, I just said, "Are you Pukar and Pritika?" They said yes. I said like I'm a huge fan. Like it was a really good moment for me. And the Ritik bhai as well, I met them as well, and they were like super nice. Everybody was really nice whom I met and whom I admire. I really admire you guys, and thanks for being there for me when I needed it the most. So let's go. The car is warmed up, so I'm just gonna wear my seatbelt and we'll just go for a drive. Small drive, not gonna go far. I can show you the gymnastics center near here. I think so. I have already shown you guys, but I don't know. Let's see it again. Let's have this letter for Mohit in my pocket. It's getting crushed. So let's go. Check the mirrors. Nobody's around. Let's go. So today's weather is like really good. So I thought let's start the car, let it get warmed up, and we can go somewhere near. So I will have a change of mind. So I was just editing my videos. I had just saw the video and there was like nothing to edit. So I thought let's just go out and make a small video and just show you guys around, and I'll just share my experience as well. So yeah. It's just like people who were there at the right time at the right place, and it just like really helps you a lot during your low time. I was just feeling so alone at that time, but they really helped me a lot. So we're just here. We're here at the gymnastics center. So I'm just gonna go there and park the car. I'm not gonna go inside. I'll just park my car outside, right outside, and show you guys around. So this is the gymnastics center I was talking about. So here you can go for rock climbing and other things as well, like gymnastic stuff. I don't know, I had never been there. I will go there and make a vlog for sure one day. And let's go. He's coming. Blind spots checked. There are two people crossing in the back, but it doesn't matter just because they're in the back. They're not coming my way. Let's go. Yeah, so it was an experience during my starting days, and it's an experience every day actually. Like every day you face new problems, new situations that you have to handle by yourself, and you like really feel like you have grown up here. I think so you guys really need that experience. Like you need to go out by yourself, and like it's just a different feeling. Like it was an experience for me, And now it's like becoming so normal. Like I'm not even thinking about getting to wake up early in the morning. But there was a problem in the early stages of my life in Canada was I won't be able to like sleep properly. So it's like a completely different feeling. Like when you become an independent guy or woman, like you feel like you have done something in your life and experienced life. Yeah, you will definitely make some mistakes and you will learn as well. And there's like so much to learn each and every day. Like I do make mistakes like every day. I do actually, like small little mistakes which makes you a better person each and every day. So that's like enough motivation talk. Let's talk about something else. It's a really good weather. I'm enjoying it a lot. I didn't think like I'm gonna enjoy this weather just because sometimes it's like too depressing for you guys and for me as well. Why I'm saying like to you guys, like I'm not a part of the community. It's like a really good weather. I enjoy snow a lot and cold weather as well. I used to like winters in India as well, so I thought extremely cold weather is for me. Yeah, so I'm enjoying a lot. Like if it's like a minus 41, 42, like it's an experience, guys. It's just experience it. It's not gonna stay forever. It's like 3, 4, a week or 2 week maximum that it can stay. Not like a month, 3 months, 4 months. It's not gonna stay forever. And there's like summer is gonna come. You can enjoy the summers as well. What are you going to do? You will feel depressed. Just go out and explore, make some new friends. I have made like so many friends. I used to go everywhere. Like whenever I was alone, I didn't have like jobs in the early days, so I was just going everywhere and saying hi to everybody, literally everybody, like on the streets, to the homeless persons as well. I was just like so curious and like ready to know people, make some new friends, so I can have a talk, I can share my experience, I can gain their experience actually. Oh my god, my camera is down. Fix it. Yeah. So just go out and explore. I'm just gonna say, like, if you don't like go out and approach people, you're just gonna become an introvert. If you want to do something in your life, you don't have to like shy away from people, because these are the people who is going to become your customer, clients. Like if you're gonna do business, they're your clients. Like you can know their needs by communicating with them, right? Do a job. Like communication skills are like so important nowadays. If you're like, rather than unless like you're in an IT job, you just sit at your desk and you do nothing, but you still have to talk with your bosses and like with your friends as well, right? You can make new friends, you can do so many things. You just like, if you have a good communication, you don't have to worry about anything. You can do anything. You just have to believe in yourself. So I would just suggest people who are like depressed and like who are feeling alone, just go out and approach people. You can DM me on Instagram if you have like any doubts, like anything. You can just ask me, just comment on the video. I'll make a video for you guys. So we are just back at home, so go to people and say hi. It doesn't like hurt you or bite you to go out and talk with people, right? So yeah, just try to make some connections and say hello to everybody. I made so many connections. When I came here, I had nobody. Now wherever I go, I know like so many people, just because I used to talk with everybody, and I was just an introvert just like you guys, and I just wanted to be an extrovert. So I just started doing those things. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.